As actuaries, you're used to dealing with large data sets with lots of numbers. The way that we organize these are in vectors. This is a way of combining numbers together, like a column in a table. The way to create a vector in R is to use the C. The C stands for concatenate. So if you take two vectors, x and y, you can then add them together. So you have the 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, and 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. The same is also true for multiplication. 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 4 is 8. You can create a third vector that's equal to the sum of those, and then take the square of each of those elements like this, or you could divide all of them by 2, and so forth. There are numeric types, which are numbers, and there are also characters, or strings. Let's try creating a character called the. You can then put these into a vector, such as character vector. A very useful function that you will use is called the paste function. You can also find this on your PA cheat sheet here. Vectors are indexed using the square brackets. Let's say that you had a vector that had 3 characters and you want to get the value of A. You simply use A1, B is 2, and so forth. To get multiple values, you index the vector using another vector. This will return the first and the third values. If you want to exclude a value, you use the minus sign before that.